Air Jungle sent me these electronic wipes for my review, and I'm going to be opening them up and trying them for the very first time. I love having wipes like this. It makes them really easy to access instead of using any kind of liquid. This is going to be really great, not only to, for example, wipe down the screen on your phone, but to actually like help sanitize it and clean that. Oftentimes we forget to do the whole phone and not just the screen. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try, but these are going to be really great on, TVs, your keyboards, monitors, anything like that. Ooh, they actually feel already, I can tell that they're not like really soft. They're kind of like thicker and more rugged. The first one is always so hard to get out. I'm trying to pull it out without grabbing so many of them. Here we go. So I think I grabbed 2 by accident. That's okay. Not too bad. Ooh, these ones are, so as you can see, really nice and large. These are really sturdy and heavy duty. They kind of have like a cleaning smell to them, as I would suspect. What do you think, Walter? Yeah, it kind of smells like cleaning, but again, for your electronics. So I'm just going to go ahead and give my phone a nice clean here. My phone has been not cleaned in a really long time. And go ahead and grab the back there. So this is really good, as I said, not just to wipe that screen from any smudges, but your whole phone. Same thing, even watches. You can see all the gross like smudges around my watch here. Let's go ahead and give that, look at that. One quick little wipe. Ooh, I wonder if I even did like the band. So I have not done this in quite some time. So just give this a quick little wipe. Doesn't look too filthy here. Thankfully, that's a good sign for me, and my watch isn't completely filthy. But this was really gross and dirty, and it came right off. I feel like my watch kind of looks like new and very sparkly right now. So definitely an awesome product. These are really great to have around just in your computer room, even next to you, just kind of giving that keyboard a wipe. That is something that people forget to do all the time. Honestly, makes it so quick and so easy.